Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. All right, happy Friday, everybody. Time to celebrate once again with a couple of drinks with our friends. So, before we get down to the fun, let's get down to business. Let's get some breaths in and out. Nice prana in, nice light and love. Fill that body up, and then just release everything. No more thoughts, no more pain. Just get comfortable. Feel that light and love filling your body. Let's take another deep breath in, and fill it up again. And then with a deep breath out, release. Just release everything. And now one more deep breath in. Make this one for all the marbles, because it's Friday. We had a tough week. We're going to have some fun now. We're going to put it all behind us. Let's go. And then a nice deep release. Get it all out. Make room for the weekend. Make room for family, fun, friends, whatever you've got planned. Let's do it. So now sit comfortably with your back straight, eyes open or closed, feet flat on the floor to get all that energy from beautiful Gaia. And I want you to be in your sacred space. Beautiful morning. And you're looking out over the fields in your sacred space. Just rolling green hills. Birds singing. Breeze blowing gently. Just feel that. Own it. Smell the grass. And then off in the distance you notice a metallic object. A huge disc in your field. Out of curiosity you get up and you walk over. You walk through the tall grass. You feel it between your toes. It rubs against your legs. It smells beautiful. You can feel this buzzing coming out of this giant disc. This beautiful, silvery, metallic, like nothing you've ever seen. So you come to a ramp underneath, and almost against your better judgment, you go inside because you're drawn to this. You know that instinctually there's something good inside. So up the ramp you go, step by step. When you get to the top, you're greeted by these light beings. They're human in form, but they're made completely out of light. They glow, and they greet you. Without a word, you know they're greeting you. You can feel it in your heart center. It just opens up like a giant flower to the sun. They guide you inside to this beautiful chrome and glass, amazing ship. It's futuristic. It's incredible. They let you know it's a healing ship and that you're here to be healed. But you look around. There's no beds. There's no operating tables. You're in this beautiful vista of chrome and stainless steel and glass and light. Everywhere you look, there's light. The beings guide you over to the window, this giant panoramic window, and you watch as you take off. You start to hover slowly and then gently glide up into the sky. Higher and higher and higher. You watch as the details on the planet get smaller and smaller. You see landmarks, cities, as they get smaller and smaller, and the sky gets darker and darker. Until finally you're in orbit, looking down at this beautiful blue-green planet. beautiful vistas that you've only seen from the space station or from shuttle missions. What a beautiful view. It's breathtaking. You feel so small in a universe that's so big. And you turn to look, and one of the light beings is holding a long, tall glass. And in it is a silver elixir that looks like mercury. He has one too, and he puts it to his mouth and begins to drink and gestures for you to do the same. It's ambrosia, it tastes incredible, and you feel it go into your body. And suddenly all your fear, apprehensions, all these 3D feelings, they just dissolve away. The light being lets you sit there for a moment and just take in what it's like to be totally unencumbered by low vibrational emotions. You turn to look at him, and again, he's got another long, slender glass, this time with something in it that looks like liquid gold. And again, he gestures to you, and the two of you drink. Now you're filled with the awareness that you are one with the universe. And it just rolls over your body. It feels incredible. You can't tell where you end and the universe begins. It's as if you're a drop of water in this beautiful ocean of light and love. And again, the light being lets you take a moment to enjoy this, as this feeling washes all over you. Then the being produces another tall, slender glass, and this time it's with a beautiful, iridescent rainbow elixir. It has little bubbles that look like glitter as they bubble up from the bottom. Again, he passes you the drink. This time the two of you clink glasses, and it's down the hatch. You find yourself overwhelmed with the feeling of love, of being in the womb, of intense mother's love without a care in the world. You are bathed in this beautiful love, and it fills your entire body. Cell by cell. The light being bows to you and thanks you. And when you look outside, you find you're already in the field where you started. And the ship darts off, up into the sky, hovers there for a minute as if to say goodbye, and then vanishes into the morning sky. You look around, enjoying the misty green rolling hills, the morning sunshine, the birds singing. You enjoy it with this newly found state of being, this inner peace, this unshakable inner peace. And you just take a moment and enjoy your surroundings in your beautiful sacred space. Then when you're ready, bring yourself back to 3D reality. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a bow and thank the light beings who are always there for you, who will always come to bring you these sensations and these beautiful, beautiful deep soul healings anytime you call for them. Have yourselves a great weekend, my friends. Love and light.